I will try and put in a table. Insert, no to family. I know better. I'll just go to my stuff because the college has used other things now. Kitchen, that's kitchen layouts. Where's furniture? Let me see furniture. There it is.
See, I think now
Residential
that
furniture.
we've talked about all this stuff, we should retake our test next week. Because this is a visual. You have learned we're visual people. This helps. I'm just saying, and then you don't have to correct them until later. So you have more time.
We'll think of it as
Bonus.
a working.
Work in progress.
Yeah, okay. I'm going to not pretend that I heard that. So I'm gonna bring in this table, okay? And we're gonna push our symbol forward for a minute. And we're gonna go to the elevation button. Can I what? It's not really tall enough for chairs. It's just a little table. Does everybody see that? Okay. What's that? I know, right? If I pull this back, technically I should have only seen, there's that. Revit may have a flaw. As I push this forward, I should only see the cabinets. Oh, no, I know what's wrong. I know what's wrong. Oh, maybe I don't know what's wrong.
With that line.
There it is. This is the problem with it. Technically, this, see that line right there? Wait, that's the section. Let me delete the section for a minute. See this line right here? Technically, wherever my symbol is supposed to be on that line. My symbol is not, for whatever. It's because it doesn't have a template. But what you should see is only what's touching the elevation line. So we won't see the table now. Everybody see that? Whereas if I pull my elevation symbol back, like that, then I will see it. Okay? So where the symbol is, where the symbol shows up, determines whether I see the object or not. So if I place my symbol manually in the kitchen, if you will, or in the bedroom or wherever, and I'm only showing it here, then I'm only seeing this stuff. If I pull it back, so then I would see the table. Does that make sense? So this goes all the way back to when we started, when I said whether I was standing here or back there determines what I see. Trust me when I say manually, you want to be as close to that wall as you can be. You do not want to see any of this foreground stuff. Okay? Now Miss S will try and get you to draw it further back to see if you understand what is going on. Where that symbol is your viewpoint. Okay? So if she says to draw it back here like that, then you would see all of this stuff. If she says to draw it forward, you will only see the wall stuff. My point for what we do in this class is that an elevation should be showing me what is on the wall. That is it. I don't care about anything in the foreground. So anything touching the wall, okay, in this case these tables would be touching the wall, I see. Okay? If these tables were off the wall, like this trash can is, I would not see this. This is all useless information. The elevation is supposed to show me what the heights are of the features on that wall. Now, if you're doing graphics, shirt back, if you're doing graphics, you have to show that on there. So if I've got some artsy thing going on the wall or some logo of sorts, I'm going to show that. Does that make sense? And then I'm going to dimension it out. Any questions? All right, so we talked about elevations and sections and what their importance are. What is their importance? What do they show us?
The vertical.
The vertical dimensions or whatever of the whatever, okay? You only show the architectural features that are touching the wall for elevations. In sections, you're going to show the walls, the floor, and the ceiling thicknesses. Elevations only show the wall. And you go from floor to wherever the ceiling is. Okay? So if I got a bar at my house, I'm going to shoot an elevation on that, and I'm going to show that vertical element being 42 or 48 inches high. So if I've got an angled wall, let's just say something like that, okay? And my kitchen, let's say, does that, okay? Now let's make it also do that. So I will show an elevation here. I will show one here. I will show one here. Oops. Here. So now I have a choice to show them perpendicular or, and then of course I would have the foreshortening aspect. And you all know how to bring down the walls and stuff for foreshortening. Okay. Amazing, we digress so much. Huh? What?
I don't think we talked about this, because when you asked that question, and we thinking it's.
I'm assuming that you guys talked about it in another class. But I saw enough shaking heads that now we're talking about in this class. Okay? So let's just say this is my countertop, my wall. Okay? And that's my blind corner cabinet. So to show that, you all know how to do this, right? From a flat surface. You know that, right? You know how to pull this down, strike a line, come up 36 inches, come up 4 inches, come up 18 inches, come up 24 inches. You all know how to do that?
I know what he's doing.
Put in the camera.
Yes, he was doing these dimensions to show us from the bottom to the base cabinet, backsplash cabinet. So you show it in layers when you're looking straight at it, correct?
Correct. So this would be my plan. You know what? Let's draw this on Thursday and we'll set up the camera so we can actually do it. Hopefully by then I'll have all the videos uploaded. I've been saying that for 2 weeks. I'm working on it. I really wasn't expecting my disastrous day. So we'll do that and we'll show you how to actually draw. What?
So you're just talking about pulling up an elevation from the floor?
Correct. Correct. I'm going to take one of your floor plans because you're turning them in at the beginning of the hour. And I'm going to show you how. What?
You gotta show us how to do all the dimensions.
I did show you how to do the dimensioning.
You still have questions.
Huh? What about Thursday?
Thursday.
I'm not listening to you. You confused me on Monday, Wednesday, and all that stuff. You were saying what?
So the dimensions need to be on.
We have to have it done.
For Thursday, yes.
Yeah.
yes, because you've got a section, casework section that you'll be getting and a wall section. I'm sorry, elevation to do with the kitchen.
Furniture.
I haven't talked about that yet. We just printed them, I said you put the furniture on, just kind of ran haphazardly telling you that so that while you're sitting around doing nothing, you could put those in. Huh? You guys do.
Not that luxury just sitting around.
You guys do.
And we can just set up our furniture however we want.
Yeah, I don't.
No rules.
No rules.
Like, just put some basic furniture, that's it.
Yeah, I mean, again, and this is still being recorded.
Floor mattress in front of the couch.
Like, that I don't want to see for the obvious reason. I'm going to tell you my story in a minute. Again, there is there's no right way to put your furniture in or wrong way to put your furniture in, if you will. But you have to use common sense, meaning that you can't have a piece of furniture and a 4-inch walkway around it, because that would be the skinniest person I've ever seen in my life. I've never seen anybody that skinny. So you have to follow those basic rules that we talked about 36 inches for traffic flow and stuff like that. But if you want to put your couch in front of the picture window looking the opposite way, I don't care. Okay, I'm not going to go, you didn't maximize the view. Sorry, that point's off. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to look at it. I'm going to make sure your walls are covered or colored. I'm going to make sure that your room names are there. And then if there's anything that jumps out at me as being too tight, I'm going to make a comment to that. Okay, if there are a lot of those too tights, I will start taking points off. Otherwise, I'll just let you know. Because space planning is totally subjective.
Do we label that space planning?
No, furniture plan. But I haven't given you the sheet yet. But I did give you the sheet for this thing, for the floor plan, right? No, I mean, I gave you a sheet for your grades of the floor
rubric,
plans.
yes.
Yes, the rubrics,
Yes.
correct.
And this one, just label it floor.
Correct. Yep, so if you follow that, you will have no problems getting an A, if you follow that. No, that is just that when we talked about the kitchen and bath stuff, there should be a Rubik's that looks like this. Hang on, I gotta make sure I'm in the right area, yeah. You got it? You know what we're talking about? Yeah, I gotta find it too. Floor plan creation. Sorry I didn't have a handout for, where is it? Here it is, grade sheet. Handout for tonight. How many people need one? Just one? Nope, you got it. None. Score. Good. Did you guys put your names on and turn that sheet in with your floor plans? I'm kidding. What? No, you should have your name on your floor plan. Don't forget your border, because that's a big component of that grade and stuff. But if you follow down through that, then your only points that you're probably going to get taken off for is going to be either A, dimensional errors, where you read the scale wrong, or B, there's some really bad line weight work stuff.
Where do we actually put our name?
In the title block, that thing said your name, isn't it? The client's name or something like that, just your name. Okay, put your name in the logo somewhere.
But that's the only thing that we're gonna be.
Are we gonna get a client or something?
Yeah, well, I mean, you can fill in random stuff, and make stuff up, so it looks more professional. Are you shaking your head no? Wow, she's like, no. Note to self, if she gets to IDS 246.
Well, we dimension the windows, so it
You're-
would that be okay to put the measurement there or up there?
No, the measurement always goes a 1/16 of an inch off the dimension line. On this drawing, yeah, the north will be north, or north will be top.
Okay, so, but which direction? This way or that way?
That question, again,
That's okay.
No, it's not okay. I'm kidding. It is okay. There's your floor plan. So the question is, where do you put your dimensions as you're going around your object? Okay? That's the question, yes?
Yeah.
All right, so here's what we have. Okay? We all know top, right?
Yes.
Top. This top to bottom. Okay? And then if we staple our drawing on this side, okay, like they would, a book, then this becomes the top when we rotate our drawing, yes? And that becomes the top. So you're going to put your numbers here, 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 and there.
Okay, that one's in the right spot.
They're all in the right spot, I guarantee it.
So, I didn't mind like what was on the paper.
1 foot 0 inches, 1 foot 0 inches, 1 foot 0 inches, foot 0 inches. Just like that.
Oh, okay.
Did I do mine?
If you look at this thing that I gave you, you'll see that it is dimensioned exactly the same way. Top, yes? Okay? And then if this is the hinge point, I turn my drawing this way, now they're on the top. Okay?
Yes. Okay, that makes sense. Thank you.
This is,
You're trying to figure out top? That would be top.
so then,
You got this? They're not right.
no, I didn't like that. I did mine like that.
So you missed the first class. Let's see, that's twice, right?
I just assumed we would be able to use this as a
So this,
That's what was.
so this one right here, that's the bottom, that's correct.
Correct.
And then when I do it on this side, I'm doing it here.
Exactly.
So you put it this way.
Okay, see, I would have,
I
I
know.
think I would have done this.
Everybody
side
does
wrong.
it. Everybody does it.
The dimensions on the right, I would have put it. like-
Everybody would. Everybody does it. I have no idea where it comes from
Yeah.
because every faculty member I talk to says exactly the same thing. So I have no idea why you all think that, but it is wrong to think that. Okay? Top to bottom, left to right. Top of the line. Just like this. Top to bottom, stays on the top of the line. When I rotate my drawing this way, this becomes the top, that becomes the top.
Got it.
Why do we do it that way? So they're not rotating the drawing all over the place, trying to figure out where it's at. Like my electrical contractor today says, "Do you like half-size drawings?" And I said, "Yeah, actually I do, because they're very easy to carry." He's like, "But you can't see anything on them." I said, "Yeah, but it prevents you from having to do this all the time with a big old set of drawings." I mean, you think about it. If I had to look at this thing out in the field, this would be a very cumbersome thing to look at, wouldn't it? Much less having to rotate it like this to read the dimensions, and then like this to read dimensions, and then like this to read dimensions. So it's better if you leave it that way, so they like to turn it one or two ways.